The Egyptian pyramids. These monumental structures, standing for thousands of years, are not just colossal stacks of stone. They are also the keepers of countless secrets waiting to be solved. Let's take a more detailed journey into the 6 most mysterious archaeological discoveries unearthed from the sands and the depths of these ancient structures, presented in a fluid narrative style. The claim of a massive underground system beneath the Giza Pyramids. The hidden city theory. The most electrifying claim suggesting that the pyramids are more than what we see on the surface is this. Advanced geophysical scanning technologies, including ground-penetrating radar and sonar, have indicated the presence of an extraordinarily large subterranean system, a network of tunnels or even a lost city that extends far beyond the foundations of the Khufu, Khafra, and Menkaure pyramids. It is speculated that the volume of this complex could be up to 10 times greater than the pyramids above it. By whom, for what purpose, and with what technology were these structures built? These questions hold the potential to rewrite everything we know about ancient Egypt. The big void inside the Great Pyramid of Khufu, the ScanPyramids discovery. The Great Pyramid, Khufu, has stood for over 4,500 years, safeguarding its secrets. However, in 2017, an international team of scientists using cosmic rays, muons, as part of the ScanPyramids project, detected a massive unmapped cavity, or big void, in the known structure of the pyramid, located right above the Grand Gallery. Measuring approximately 30 meters long, this space represents a major structural secret. Was it a construction ramp for cargo, or a hidden, unopened burial chamber for the pharaoh? Efforts to physically access this mysterious area remain among the most exciting and challenging projects in the scientific world. The mysterious L-shaped structure in the Giza Western Cemetery. In the Giza Plateau's Western Cemetery, a vast necropolis where members of the royal family and high-ranking officials were buried, remote sensing technology, radar, identified an unusual L-shaped structure deep underground. Located about 2 meters below the surface, this structure appears to point toward another, deeper, square-shaped anomaly. While archaeologists speculate the L shape might be an entrance, a type of monument, or part of a sacred area, they believe the ultimate secret lies within the deeper, square structure, the skeletons of the pyramid builders that hold their own secrets. The long-standing debate over who built the pyramids was largely settled by the discovery of organized workers' cemeteries around Giza, dismantling the myth of slave labor. Anthropological analysis of the skeletons found here confirms the workers were well-nourished and received professional medical care. However, conflicting evidence, such as the coexistence of artifacts suggesting different social statuses within the burial complex and the varying physical activity levels indicated by some skeletons, suggests that the social order and labor system involved in the pyramid construction are still not fully understood. The workforce might have been part of a hierarchy far more complex than currently assumed. The massive mummy and sarcophagi collections in Saqqara, located south of Giza, Saqqara is one of Egypt's most prolific archaeological sites. Recent excavations there have revealed an astonishing sight: the collective discovery of hundreds of perfectly preserved wooden sarcophagi and mummified bodies within just a few seasons. The fact that many of these coffins date back to the 26th dynasty, 7th century BCE, and are filled with statues, amulets, and religious artifacts highlights the incredible richness of Egyptian burial rites and beliefs during that period. The mystery remains why such a huge collection was gathered and preserved so well in one place, potentially necessitating a rewrite of the region's history. Tutankhamun's cursed tomb and mysterious early death. Although not located within the pyramids themselves, the tomb of the boy pharaoh Tutankhamun, discovered in 1922, remains one of the greatest and most mysterious finds in Egyptian archaeology. Discovered almost entirely intact, the tomb showcased the wealth of ancient Egypt, with its golden death mask and thousands of priceless artifacts. The mystery began with the so-called Pharaoh's Curse, referring to the misfortunes that befell members of the excavation team after the opening. The true archaeological enigma, however, revolves around King Tut's mysterious early death and the signs of haste and disarray within his burial chamber. DNA analysis and other studies have failed to definitively determine the cause of his demise, whether accident, illness, or murder. ensuring his tomb remains one of ancient Egypt's most famous and unsolved personal tragedies.